If you think building a successful finance YouTube channel requires expensive equipment, professional editors, or a large production team, you're making the same mistake that most beginners make, because right now, faceless finance channels are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views using AI. And some of these channels are only a few months old. But here's the interesting part. Most people who try copying these channels never see results. Not because the niche is saturated, not because the AI tools don't work, but because they don't understand the complete content creation system behind these viral finance videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process for creating professional finance videos using completely free AI tools. From finding winning video ideas, to generating scripts, to creating visuals, to animating scenes, and finally, turning everything into a professional YouTube video. Welcome to Chase Profit, I'm Chase Brooks, and let's get started. Before creating anything, we need to know what people actually want to watch, because even the best editing can't save a boring topic. The first thing I do is study successful finance channels, look at channels covering personal finance, wealth building, investing, money psychology, business success stories, and of financial mistakes people should avoid. Pay close attention to the videos getting the most views. Notice the patterns. Topics like why people stay broke, how millionaires think differently, financial habits destroying your future, investment mistakes beginners make, and money lessons schools never teach. These topics consistently perform well because they trigger curiosity and emotion. Once I find a winning topic, it's time to create the content. For this, I use ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, I use a finance content master prompt. This generates complete video scripts, scene-by-scene breakdowns, image prompts, animation prompts, voiceover scripts, and visual directions automatically. Instead of spending hours writing manually, ChatGPT creates the entire structure within seconds. This dramatically speeds up the content creation process. Now that the script is ready, we need visuals. And this is where most finance channels fail. Many creators use boring stock footage. But engaging visuals can dramatically improve the watch time and retention. For image generation, I use Google Gemini. I simply copy the image prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste them into Google Gemini. Then, I select the 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. Within seconds, Gemini creates professional finance-themed visuals. Things like business professionals, money growth charts, luxury lifestyles, financial stress scenarios, investment concepts, and wealth-building environments. The results are clean, modern, and visually appealing. Now I repeat this process for every scene until all scenes are complete. The goal is to create visual consistency throughout the entire video. When every scene feels connected, the final content looks much more professional. Once all images are ready, download them in high quality, because now we're moving to the most exciting step. Static images are great, but animated scenes create a much stronger viewing experience. For video generation, I use Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, click New Project. Then upload all the images we created earlier. Now move to the video section. For my first generation, I select Omni Flash. This model is fast, efficient, and produces impressive results. Next, I choose my first image. Paste the animation prompt generated by ChatGPT and click Generate. Now watch what happens. The AI adds camera movement, motion effects, depth, visual energy, scene transitions, and cinematic storytelling elements. What was once a static image now feels like a real video scene. After the first scene is finished, I repeat the same process. Upload image, paste prompt, generate, and continue until all scenes are animated. Once all clips are generated, download everything. Every great finance video needs a professional narration. For voice generation, I use 11 Labs. Simply paste your script into 11 Labs. Choose a natural sounding voice. Click Generate. And within minutes, you'll have a realistic AI voiceover. Now we combine all the pieces. For editing, I use CapCut. CapCut is beginner friendly, free, and perfect for faceless YouTube videos. Import all your animated scenes. Add your voiceover. Arrange the clips according to the script. Then enhance the video by adding background music, sound effects, text animations, transitions, zoom effects, and subtitles. Once everything looks good, export your video in high quality, and now your finance video is ready for YouTube. So if you want more videos on AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, content automation, and online business strategies, make sure you subscribe to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brooks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.